Hello Odoo, I hope you all are doing great. So in this video we are going to see how to add customer as a default follower of any record. So we will see, for example, for a lead we can achieve in, let's say, CRM lead, sales order, invoicing, right? Here we can see this customer. So currently what happen if we create, let's say, this pipeline, and let's say if I create a new pipeline, if I select this record and if I save, then it will not add customer as a follower of this lead opportunity. So to achieve this we need to achieve using the automation rule. So currently I have activated, let's say, uh, we can activate developer mode and see this field technical name. Okay, so let's say we can activate developer mode from here, right? I have already activated. We'll go to lead. Here we can see the technical name is partner underscore id of this field, right? And then we need to go to apps, and here you can search rule. So base automation, this is automation rule application. This is Odoo base application I just activated already. And then we will go to settings, technical, scroll down, and here we will see automation rule. So I have created already. Let's say if I unarchive, so this is we given the name, add auto add customer as follower in CRM pipeline. We selected this model lead opportunity and on save, right? And this is the when updating the customer, then it will trigger. So we given customer field name, and here we added this type as execute code, and here this is the code. So it is a bit technical, but let me explain. Record, it means the record it exists, and this partner id, it means the customer is exist and customer is not exist in follower list. Then it will add customer as a follower of this record. This is some method used in backend sites. Will save, and this is already activated. Now if I go to CRM pipeline, if I refresh the page, and let's say if I create new, test new, and select this record, and if I save, then you can see this customer is already added as a follower. If I create a new one, new lead something, if I select this customer, save, you can see this customer added as a follower. The same we can do in other record also. So if, let's say, we can see for the sales also, let's say here in sales also not working. So let's say if we go here in the rule, and let's say if I change sales order, trigger on save, field customer, and here let's say this code, save, right? And if I go to sales, refresh the page, and if I create, you can see here this customer added as a follower. So in this way we can achieve in different application. We can add any contact record as a default follower when we create this record, right? So I hope this video will help.